Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your earphone or speaker problem when one of these stops working and similar things happens. And be sure to subscribe this channel and stay connected. This tutorial I'm going to divide into two parts, one for your computer to fix earphone related sound related problem on your computer, and one for your Android device to fix earphone problem on your Android device. So in Android, open your phone settings, then scroll and find accessibility and open this option. Now go to hearing and now here you'll see an option for left and right sound balance. So what we need to do is simply just move the slider from center to left or right after plugging in your earphone. So if your right speaker is not working correctly, then move the slider to left, otherwise to the right. Also you could turn on the mono audio from here as well to see if it makes any improvements. So that's about fixing earphone related similar issues on Android device. So let's move on to PC now. The process of this fix pretty much same for all version of PC like Windows 7 or Windows 10 and so. Firstly, I have Realtek audio driver on my PC, so I will be using Realtek audio manager for this fix. Also, you don't need to install any audio manager, it is pre-installed with your driver. In my case, it's the Realtek, and you can download your audio driver from Windows Update if you are missing. So go to your control panel. To get to the control panel, you could search for control panel in start menu as well. Anyway, within control panel in the top right corner, click the drop down menu view by and select small icons. Now from the list of these various apps, find your audio manager app. As I said, for me it's Realtek HD audio manager. So open this. From here you can use this slider to balance your audio from left to right. If the issue is with your right speaker, then take the slider to left or otherwise right. Also in this audio manager window, in the top right corner you will see connector settings. Now you can also select this option to easily switch between different profiles when connecting your problematic headphone and working headphones or speakers, without having to manually change these settings each time. So that's about this fix on PC. Additionally, in Windows 10, right click the speaker icon in the tray area of taskbar and open sound settings. Now choose device property from output device. From here select additional device properties, and from this pop-up window go to the enhancement tab and scroll here and find and check loudness equalization for further improve your audio in your Windows. That's it. And you can also perform this step on your Windows 7 as well by opening sound setting. I hope this fixed your various issues with your audio problem. Anyway, that's for now and see you in the next video.